Today, as icy roads and snowstorms push vehicles to their limits, two giants take the Nordic winter stage: the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV and the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV, two studless tire legends built to master the harshest winter terrains. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to icy roads, these two go head-to-head. For ice braking, the Nokian stops 0.48 meters shorter than the Michelin. In ice traction, the Nokian accelerates 0.11 seconds faster, and in ice handling, the Nokian completes a lap 0.98 seconds quicker than the Michelin. On snow, the story shifts slightly. The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV takes the lead in braking, stopping 0.31 meters shorter than the Michelin. However, for snow traction, Michelin accelerates 0.03 seconds faster. In snow handling, the Nokian completes the lap 1.17 seconds faster. In wet conditions, Nokian excels in braking, stopping 1.25 meters shorter. In wet handling, Nokian is 0.29 seconds faster per lap. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, Michelin maintains grip until 1.6 km/h higher than the Nokian. On dry roads, Michelin has a slight advantage in braking, stopping 0.31 meters shorter. In subjective dry handling, both tires score equally. For urban settings, exterior noise matters. The Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV registers 0.6 decibels quieter than the Nokian. On the other hand, the rolling resistance can impact both fuel efficiency and environmental footprint. Nokian has a slight edge with a 0.21 lower rolling resistance coefficient value than Michelin. In summary, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV proves superior in ice and snow performance while also edges out in wet braking and rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Michelin X-Ice Snow SUV excels so slightly in dry braking and aquaplaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.